Hello everyone. Today we are going to change the battery for the S22, and you can see the battery is swelling and it pushes the back up the phone upward. In that case, sometime the network is also not working. For this, we have to heat the phone a little bit. There is no need to heat it more because the back is already separated, so just a little bit heat is enough. We will use this kind of pry tool to take the back off. You have to be very careful because the back is also very thin glass and it can very easily crack, so you have to be very careful. Here you go. Now you will use this kind of screwdriver to take off all the screws from the back of the phone. Unplug the wireless charger. You can see that the connector is already unplugged. Why? Because the battery was swelling and it pushed the connector. That's why the network of the phone was not working as well. Just disconnect all the flexes, disconnect the battery, take all the screws off from the loudspeaker as well. Now remove the battery. You can see the battery is easily be removed, but why? Because it was already swelling. When you are generally replacing the battery, it's going to be very hard to remove it. For that you will use a little bit alcohol. If you don't have alcohol, you have to just heat up the phone a little bit by keeping it on hot plate. I didn't use much adhesives to put the battery back. Why? Because the battery already have some adhesives, that's why. Now reconnect all the flexes and the cables. Make sure those are properly reconnected to the motherboard and to the charging port, all the antennas and everything. Connect the power button and the volume button flex, then reconnect the battery. Make sure it's properly connected. Put back the loudspeaker, and it is called for the charging port as well. Make sure it is properly on his position. Yeah, so connect this wireless charger plug here, make sure it's properly connected, and just put all the screws back. It is very simple to change the battery. There is no need for you to go to any repair shop and ask him to change the battery. The only risk is just the back glass. You have to be very careful for that. Thank you very much for watching, and if you can like, subscribe and share my channel, that's gonna be very big support for me and for my family. Thank you very much. Take care and have a good day. See you with another video.